you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Empress D. It's nice to have you. Make sure to like, comment, and make sure to subscribe to this channel and come back for all that we have planned. I know that I haven't been taking this channel seriously lately, but I'm about to step it up, okay? So you don't want to miss anything that I'm bringing, so please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Right, so with all that's been happening in the world, we are on a firm Black Lives Matter, and I don't care. No life matters until Black Lives Matters, okay? Period, right? So this video is going to be using all black brands, all brands that you can go support, and at the end I may come in and mention some more that I think that you should support because they have really nice things, okay? Support your own people. Without further ado, let's jump straight into this video. Right guys, so let's jump right into it. We'll be using the dark brown pomade from Desirable Cosmetics, but before we do that, we're just going to use the Crayon Case chalk dust to remove the excess oil from out of the brows. Then we will go back in with the pomade and shape our brow. Once we've finished shaping our brows, we're going to go ahead and fill in the brows. And as we get to the front, we're going to make lighter strokes in upward motion and then blend it out. So we're going to use a Juvias Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 12. And we're going to use that to clean up the brows. So we'll start underneath, and we always start in the arch, and then we'll make our way forward. And once we're finished with the bottom of the brow, then we'll go to the top and we will do the same thing. So I don't normally set the concealer on my eyelid, but because I'm not doing eyeshadow on this look, I have decided to set it so that the concealer does not crease. Next up, we're going to use the Fenty Beauty primer to prime our skin, and we're just going to use the spirit fingers and make sure that the primer gets into those pores, trying to get this skin as smooth as possible, okay? Next thing that we're going to do is dip into the Crayon Case Sharp-Me Liner, and I'm going to create a medium size because y'all know I really love big wings, but I'm going to create a medium size wing for the lashes that I'm going to wear to pull off this look. Once the liner is completed, we're going to go in with our foundation, the Juvias Place. This is the Malawi foundation, and we're just going to apply that to the face, and then we are going to stipple it into our skin to create an even base. We are going back in with the concealer, and this is to highlight all of the areas that we want to stand out. So this is our nose, our under eye, upper lip, chin, forehead, okay? We're going in. I would also suggest that when using a concealer that is not thick, to wait 3 minutes and then blend it out so it doesn't spread and get all over the place. Once we're finished with the highlighting, we're going to go in with the chalk dust in the shade Y again, and we are going to set all the areas that we applied the concealer to highlight. So today I will be powder contouring, and I will be using the brand Melanin Makeup Fantasy palette, and I will be contouring my nose, my cheekbones, my forehead, and my chin. I will also be dipping into this palette for blush as well, okay? Right, so I don't have a pencil that is black owned, so I'm dipping into the Jamrock palette from Plain Makeup by Yolanda, and I'm using that black there just to line my waterline. Next up are lashes and lash glue from Desirable Cosmetics, and look at these lashes, y'all. Look at the lashes, and she has her very own lash glue as well. Make sure you go support all of these brands that I have mentioned today, okay? Now let's talk about this highlight, y'all. Look at it. You just push down the center there and the product pops up. Perfect. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I like to over highlight, but even when I take my pictures, you still don't see it. So maybe I need to apply more so you can see it in the photos. But yeah, I do overdo when it comes to highlight. So next up is lips from Falana Cosmetics. We have Ebony and Hustle Baby. This is my second favorite. My favorite combination is Ebony and Caramel Frap, which is what I wear mostly. If you look at all my photos and everything, it's my jam. So make sure you also check out the Falana Cosmetics lipstick, if not anything else, okay? They are bad. Right guys, so this is the completed look. Okay, see what you can do with some black owned businesses. Okay, you don't need to do all that extra stuff. You really don't. Support your own people. And even if you're not black, you should definitely still check out some awesome brands that we got going on, because it's about time that these brands are recognized, in my opinion. Okay, so this is it for today, guys. I love you guys. Remember, subscribe. Okay.